Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to resell on eBay. Start by selling what you own. Begin by listing items you no longer need or use. This helps you practice without the pressure of making big investments. 2. Start small and avoid risks. Focus on inexpensive items at first to minimize financial losses. Buy and resell small, affordable items to learn practicing and market trends. 3. Find your niche. Identify a category you're knowledgeable about, electronics or collectibles, for example. Specialize in ensure you can answer customer questions and handle disputes effectively. Avoid chasing trends unless you understand the product thoroughly, and source inventory from garage sales, thrift stores, or wholesalers. 4. Stay organized from day one. Take high-quality photos that showcase your item clearly. Maintain proper storage and invest in reliable packaging materials. Use spreadsheets to track costs, selling prices, and profits. Treat your eBay store like a professional business, focusing on customer service. And 5. Finally, minimize returns. Ensure all items are clean, undamaged, and accurately described in your listing. Take time to fix minor issues like remove stains or trim loose threads. For quality items, consider listing them as buy it now for a fixed price rather than risking lower auction results. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.